Hello everyone, you know the drill. While we're waiting for our weekly contest, we're going to do the next Leetcode question for March. Let's see what we have. Short encoding of words. Reference string S ends with, for each indices, the substring of S starting indices and up to, but not including the next. I see. If I understand this correctly, as long as another item is in another word, then it should be fine. So we can iterate through. Actually, we can make our life easier if we know that it is descending order. So let's just make it descending order for now. Words dot sort key lambda x -1 times the length of x. That should reverse sort it from descending order. Yeah, so now what we can do is that for each word in words, what we can do is this is our string. It's going to be eventually our answer. If it's already in S, then we want to know if it's not in S yet, then we append it. That's it. Should be. This seems a little too simple. And then we just return S. Oh, the length of S. Okay, let's see. Is that it? Oh, interesting. Why is this? Should be correct. It's gonna, this one is in here. Am I missing? For each index, the substring S starting from indices and up to. I think what this means is that you can't have, for this case, you can't have an E in the middle. It has to be at the very end. So the substring has to be at the very end all the time. So what I can do then is keep track of the indices. Indices dot append length of S -1. If it is in there, I need to make sure first that it's at the very end. So let's see. For index in indices, I want to make sure that the substring from index minus the length of the word all the way up to index is equal to the actual word I'm concerned with. If that is true, then I don't do anything. If it doesn't equal that, then I go this again and update the indices. Okay, so let's put this as a test case just to make sure. Okay, oh, why is this 13 now? Because when this is here, I am checking, but it should equal though. It should equal, so then it should skip this for all the indices, at least for the first one. So that should be, yep. So the first time through it's equal. Why is it adding it? Let's get rid of this guy for now. Let's just make sure. What does that mean? So it's adding it to the very end. So it shouldn't add it though, because it doesn't equal. Oh, because it's, I see, because it's iterating through every single time. So if it is equal, what I actually want to do instead is this. If it is equal, I continue. But if it isn't, then yeah, I don't do anything. Wait, that was the same thing. So it's going to try every single index, and there's one that will pass. As soon as it's equal, actually, it's a break time. Yeah. There we go. And then let's try this guy here. Let's just make sure that's all good. Awesome. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, I want to iterate through every single one. Combine equals false. Combine equals true here. If combine, meaning that I'm combining it, or not combine, then I do this. Whew, completely underestimated that one. I thought that was easier than it looks, but apparently it's a pretty hard problem. It's more of a upper medium hard problem. So, but yeah, hopefully those provide some insights on how one would solve these. So yeah, next time.